Okay, this is what we were doing. Please pay attention. Now when I multiply this with 10, now I'm multiplying 10 with x. Okay, I'm multiplying this with 10. Now I get 10x here on the left side. And when I multiply 10 with this number, then what happens? My decimal point will be shifted one place towards this side, towards the right side. Okay. So when this is 0.333, then what it becomes? When it comes on one place towards right, this becomes 3.333, so on. Is it? Okay. Yes or no? I hope you are understanding this. Now, I take this one as equation number 1. I take this equation as equation number 2. Now I subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, subtracting 1 from 2. Okay, so when I subtract this equation number 1 from 2, what do I get? 10x minus x will be 9x. Is it? And this side what I have in the right side, I have 3.33 so on minus 0.333 so on. So when I subtract the C, after the decimal there are same digits. So this will, after the decimal place will be all 0. And the before decimal numbers will be 3 minus 0 gives me 3. So 9x will be equal to 3. I hope you are understanding this.
Yes, ma'am.
From here, I can find the value of x, that is 3 by 9, which gives me 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9, that is 1 by 3. So that means I have now count the value of 0.33 in the P by Q form. This is the P by Q form. Okay. Okay, children, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll do one more sum of this time. Let's take the last question in the homework. You remember that was given 0.001 like this, right? This, okay. So today you will do this question for your homework, okay? Today you will do that third question for the homework. Now you have to express this in the P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So that means we'll take our x to be x here 0.66 because 6 is repeating so many times. Okay, since only one digit is repeating, so what we will do, we will multiply this by 10. Okay. So when we multiply this by 10, this becomes, decimal point will be shifted one place, so this becomes 6.66 and so on. So let's take this as equation number 2, this as 1, subtracting 1 from 2, that means equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, we get 10 minus 10x minus x will be 9x. And when you subtract 6.66 minus 0.66, what do you get? Behind, after the decimal, all numbers are same. So they will all become 0. And before decimal, you have 6 minus 0, that gives you 6. So you have value of your x to be 6 by 9. So when you cancel this with 2, 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So you get your value of x to be 2 by 3. Okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we can say that the value of 0.6 bar is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, this is what we were asked to prove in the question. Okay, now same way you can do for the other one also. There is another question in your book that I'll take an example of it. Suppose this is A part, this is okay. Let x is equal to 0.47 bar. Okay. Now here there is a bar over 7, not on 4, it's on 7. Okay, and after the decimal point there are 2 digits. Okay, so let's take let x is equal to 0.4777, so on. Okay. Now, I was multiplying with 10 because I had one digit after. Only one number was repeating. Here we have two numbers repeating. So either we can multiply with 100 directly, or let's do with 10 first. You'll understand with 10. Or I can directly multiply this with 100 also. Let's do with 10, then again we'll multiply with 10. Okay, just to make you understand. So when I multiply this with 10, what do I get? My right side will be shifted, decimal point will be shifted one place. So this becomes 0.77 and so on. Okay. Now, if I subtract this, what can I see? I have, after the decimal, I have 4777 and here I have 777. So what I will do to make my work easier, I will again multiply this with 10. Equation number, this equation I will again multiply with 10. So this becomes 100. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So when this becomes 100, again I multiplied with 10. So that means my decimal point will be shifted one more place towards the right. So I get 47.777 like this. Now I have my, in this equation also I have my after decimal places same, after decimal places same. Okay, I name these equations as this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, why I did this? Because I could get some easy number when I subtract it. Okay, so subtracting 1 from 2, okay, we get so 100 minus 10x will be 100x minus 10x will be 90x and 47.777 and here I have 4.777. So behind after the decimal all places will be become 0. So we have just the first numbers, that is 47 minus 4 gives me 43, right? So here my value of x will be 43 by 90.
But if we do in other way by directly multiplying with 100, then we won't get.
That also you can do. You can take it directly by 100. But why I did this? Because here you can see here, no? After decimal places and after decimal places. If you could do, if you just skip this part, then you will have directly multiplying by 100. Then you will again think of it. What do I do? What do I subtract here?
Ma'am, so once can you show
Then
it?
what would you have done? Like this 100x minus x and 47.777 minus 0.47. Now the things would have been not so easy for you. Here you would have got 99x and here you would have got whatever you get after minus. Isn't that? So is this easy or this one is easy?
One the above one, yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let me just erase this. So my value of x is now 43 by 90. One second, let me select the pen. So this implies that 0.7 bar is 43 by 90. Okay, so this is what we were asked to do to make it in the P by Q form. And here we are. Okay, I hope it's clear to you now. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So now for your homework, can you try this? Here you have after the decimal 3 places, 3 digits being repeated. So what will you do here?
1000.
Multiply by what?
1000.
1000, exactly. Okay. So we'll be multiplying by 1000.
Ma'am, would the answer be 1 by 999?
So first multiply with 10, then 10, then 10. Do like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving ahead. Now see, you have another set of questions. Find. I'm taking some questions from the exercise. Find a rational number between 1/7 and 2/7. Now here you have to find irrational number. Okay, we were finding rational numbers. Now we have to find irrational numbers.
Ma'am, should we do it like converting it into decimal then like that we have to do?
Yes, Sampath?
Ma'am, should we do it by converting them into decimals?
So what we will do, we will convert this to decimal first. Okay. So let's convert 1/7 to decimal. Divide and check. What do you get? Please divide. Divide 1/7 also and 2/7 also. Bring it to decimal form. Everyone, please do. Give me the answer then.
Ma'am, if we do 1/7, we will get 0.14.
Do carry on.
Ma'am, 142, right?
Mm-hmm.
52. Ma'am, 1428.
571.
52.
Ma'am, 571429.
7 5s is 35. I have 5 here, then again 0. Then it becomes 50. Then 7 7s is 49. Then 1 1 0. अब ये फिर से start हो जाएगा है ना? 7 1 is 7.
Ma'am,
Then
it will
same
end-
thing starts again.
No,
Okay.
ma'am,
So here we observe that this string of numbers is repeating. Now since I have got 10 here, 10 minus 7 again 3 and again the whole thing will continue again. Okay. Is it? This is what you are observing here. This becomes 0.142857. This number is repeating. From again here you will have the same thing, like this. Right?
ma'am, but getting after 71429, it is ending like that.
Why 29 will come when you have these same numbers, then same thing will come, no? Why 29 will come then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you have same numbers followed, you get same numbers only, no? Now again find for this now 2/7. Let's do for 2/7 also. You do now. You also do. I'm also doing.
Ma'am, is it 0.3?
0.3, it's terminating.
Oh, no, sorry, ma'am. Mistake, took one.
So we have 6. It starts from here. Okay. 7 8 is 56. Then 4 0. Then
Ma'am.
7s are 35. Then we have 5 0. Then we have no, this was 5 7.
Oh,
57.
9. No, this is 7 7 is 49. 1, then 0. Then you have 7 1 is 7.
4, ma'am.
Have 3. Then you have 7 4 is 28. And here you have 2. When you got 2, that means again the same series will follow. Okay. So here you got 0.285714. Okay, this string of numbers is repeating again. Since we have got 20 here, so same thing for 2018 again start like this, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now look here, everyone please look here, pay attention. Now 1/7 we have got in the decimal form, we have got 2/7 also in the decimal form. We found that the string of numbers will repeat again, okay? So we have to find irrational number between these rational numbers. So now between 0.14 and 0.28, what can we have? 0.15 we can have, 0.16 we can have, 0.17 and so on till 0.26, 0.27. Okay, we can have so many numbers in between these, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding these? So between these, you can pick any number. Okay. You can pick any number, whatever you are asked. If I take 0.15 and the after numbers, you can write anything 2, 3, 1, 5, 7, 8, 4, whatever number you can write. Okay. Just keep the starting thing between these two numbers. Okay. Okay. Just keep the starting numbers between these two numbers and the rest you can write anything.
Ma'am, that
All
means
right.
after finding that
Okay,
the
so that's how we can find irrational number between any number, these two numbers. Okay,
ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes or no?
ma'am, I have one doubt.
You can even have 0.24567894012447, what, right? Just keep the after two digits, after the decimal, the two digits between these two numbers. Okay, between these two numbers that you have got. And the rest you can write any number. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no. Unmute and say, show
Yes,
thumbs up. Say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not hearing anything. Who is this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, we understood.
Yes,
Say no. You were not. No one is saying anything. I told you. Either you show thumbs up. Some response should be there. No. Okay. Now see. From your exercise, we have some questions, right? Following numbers in decimal forms. Okay, now we have these numbers, like say 36 by 100. 36 by 100, how will you write this in a decimal form? Quickly tell me.
ma'am. 0.36.
Yes, 0.36. Okay, this you have studied in your junior classes. So this is you can have, you can see the number is terminating here. It has only two decimal places. So this is a terminating decimal. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, next one, let's try with 1/11. Now, what is 1/11? You can divide and check. Divide 1/11.
0.1 and so on.
So you have 009 here. Okay, 999. So again you have 1 and again you will have 000. So that means this 99 will be repeating here. Okay, so that means 0.09 bar. So this is again repeating and non-terminating. This is it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
next, let's take the next one. 4 1/8. So 4 1/8 can be taken as, let's make it in the improper fraction form. So 8 4 is 32, 33 by 8. So you divide 33 by 8 and check what do you get. 8 4 is 32. You have 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay, you'll get this when you divide. So this is again a terminating decimal. Okay. Then let's try the next one. 2/11. So 2/11, when you divide 2 with 11, let's check out what do you get. 0.
Ma'am, 0.8.
So this is 9, 0, 8, 88, so you get 2, so that means this will be repeated.
0.18.
0.18 bar. Okay, so that means this is non-terminating and repeating. Okay, non-terminating, repeating, right? So the leftover questions, I want you to try. Okay, I have shown you some questions on the same grounds. You have to try the rest of the questions.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am, in 2 by 11, the bar should come on both 1 and 8, right?
on both, no. See, just a second.
Ma'am, can you once check?
One minute, one minute. Okay, yes, this is, so this will be 1 again. Yes, this will be bar both. Okay. Okay, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So please practice that. Practice few more questions from your exercise. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And for tomorrow, we'll have some properties also of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
So just review what all you did today. Or I'll show you some more questions. We have just 2 minutes left now. So we'll do 1 or 2 questions, okay? Classify rational or irrational. Okay, that's also. So from your book only, you have the first one, root over 23. Root over 23, we can see 23 is a prime number. It's a non-perfect square number, okay?
Rational number.
The non-perfect square, so that means it's irrational. Non-perfect square number, so this number is irrational. Then root over 2 to 5. So we can see that 225 is the square of 15. So that's 15. 15 is a rational number. So that's rational. Okay. Then you have, let's do this one, 0.3796. So when you have terminating numbers, digits, so that means this is terminating. So this is rational. Okay. This is how we are classifying between rational and irrational. The next one we can have 7.478, and then again we have 478. So that we can see this string of numbers is repeating. Okay, this is repeating. So repeating means rational. Okay. Then we have 1.1010010001, and this is repeating, but the sequence is not the same. So it's not actually repeating in a uniform way. Okay. So this is non-terminating and non-repeating, because repeating pattern is something different. Okay. It's not here this is 1, 0, here, 2, here 3, here 4. So this is non-terminating and non-repeating. So this is irrational. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
children? So please try some more sums of the exercise, the ones which are left. Okay, so we tried so many questions from the exercise. The leftover ones, I want you to try yourself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, thank you, children. You can check out the homework. There is one question from the previous homework, and some more I'll give you today. Okay, after some time you can check.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye, beta. Thank you for today. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.